Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can convert text to columns in Excel. Let's say I have a list of people's name like this, but I want to separate the first name and the last name to be in two different columns. For this I select my table and go to the data tab, text to columns, and here I have different options from which I can choose how to separate them by comma, by space. I will select by space, and this is a preview of how they will look. So let's hit apply, and Excel separates them by the first name and their last name.